great boat, Seawolf.
It's a high-speed boat ride. We go all around New York City.
It's like a half-hour ride.
It is not a 2-3 hour cruise. This is a boat that's designed to go fast.
Very fun.
We had a great time, man. That was amazing. Such a great deal.
It's one of the best boat rides I've ever been on.
We're in New York.
We're in New York! Woo!
We're looking forward to it. It looks like a unique way to check out a lot of the sites in New York Harbor at once.
I'm going on the boat. I'm 73, and my daughter's going on the boat, and she's 40 plus, and my granddaughter is 13.
Keeping the kids' attention when you're out is sometimes difficult, so to have a nice, fast-paced adventure like this, to get so many things in such a short amount of time is pretty exciting.
I'll tell you the truth, I went on last year, and the way I went on is the way I came off, not a drop of water.
My favorite part was the speed. It wasn't scary at all. It was a lot of fun. I actually have been on quite a few speedboats, and I was a little intimidated because I've come off with lots of bruises. This was really smooth. It was a lot of fun. Great speed, but it took the waves really easily. I mean, I would take my grandma on it. I think she would love it. Kids, totally. They would love it, for sure.
An experience for the afternoon, along with whatever else you're taking in, food, a movie. That is what this boat gives you. A thrill ride along the waterfront.
We saw Ellis Island. Statue of Liberty was phenomenal. Fantastic crew.
Best bang for the buck in New York.
Rib New York!
Rip New York!
Rib New York!
Rib New York!
We're in New York. Here we come.